Riceland Foods is in a unique position to talk about sustainability because it represents almost all the segments of the rice industry, from the producer to the consumer. Adam Shea discussed how Riceland is using its knowledge of all facets of the rice industry to increase the visibility of those efforts. He was a speaker of the Rice Agricultural Sustainability Virtual Field Trip conducted by the University of Arkansas System Division of Agriculture.
When we combine these pieces of information with the information from the membership and the farm side, that kind of allows us to have a complete package, if you will, of sustainability information that really represents the rice's journey from farm to table. As we've gathered more information from the membership, we were really looking to see what indicator do we want to focus on that we can really make a difference and that really means something to who we are as a cooperative and rice farmers. And water was a clear winner. When you think about it, yes, water is critical to rice production, but I think the reason it stood out was the diversity that water offers when it comes to sustainability indicators is pretty vast. For example, there's irrigation practices that you can implement that focus on conserving water, but at the same time, they also positively impact your greenhouse gases, your energy use, your soil use, and so we just felt like this is something that is going to matter to our future down the road, to our cooperative down the road, and it's also something that, you know, if we've got valued customers who have initiatives that are focused on other indicators, we'll probably be able to work across these two simultaneously. We did set our first sustainability goal around water. We said that through the promotion and implementation of sustainable irrigation water management practices, Riceland and its members aim to reduce the amount of water usage in rice production by 250 billion gallons by 2025. And I'd say that this is something that will be realized through practices that our members implement. And so that kind of goes into, you know, what is our role? And our role is really more of a promotional role, in that we look to promote practices that will be beneficial to our farmer members. Everything that we promote is voluntary, 100%. And we realize it's not a one-size-fits-all. A practice that might work for you may not work for your neighbor across the road. And so, you know, we're not here to tell anyone how to farm, but we see our role as really a role of working with other organizations and finding ways to help kind of partner and collaborate with people who can bring resources to the members and kind of help them take those next steps. So ultimately, we're looking to identify practices that can be beneficial to our farmer members and the environment at the same time. If it has a positive environmental impact and it also creates positive impact on their bottom line, you know, these are the practices that we're looking to promote. And if we track and report those, we'll be able to really tell that story from start to finish. I think at the end of the day, sustainability is here to stay. I think that it's slowly becoming an expectation of doing business and kind of a prerequisite for certain markets, certainly the higher value markets. And so, you know, I think that it's just something that we're going to have to adapt to. Again, we've been doing these things all along. It's just a matter of really adapting to telling a better story and kind of providing that proof. So I think that we're well suited as Riceland. I think we're well suited as a rice industry. We've done a lot of really good things, and I think there's a lot of opportunity ahead.